Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share crispy fried chicken strips or tenders recipe. Very simple and easy to make. Tastes so good. Chicken breast 2 pieces cut into strip size. Salt to taste. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Chili sauce 1/4 cup. Mix well. Cover and rest for 1 hour. Egg wash 3. Soda water 2 cup. Flour 1 cup. Mix. Perfect. Flour mixture preparation. All-purpose flour 2 cup. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 2 teaspoon. Onion powder 2 teaspoon. Oregano 1 teaspoon. Parsley 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Tasting salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. After 1 hour, mix again. Time to coat with flour. Plain flour. Follow the steps. Deep with flour batter. Shake excess. Coat with seasoned flour. Perfect. Repeat process. Done. Fry 10 to 12 minutes on medium-high heat. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.